Hello everyone, myself Abhishek along with my team member Lakshmi Narayana. We are going to present on the topic the current marketing strategy and the distribution strategy of Deloitte. So now let us talk about Deloitte. Deloitte it is one of the leading firm which collaborates with the professionals and other firms across the world in order to provide the services like the auditing, consulting, taxation and other financial advisory. So now let us talk about the current situation of the market. So in this current situation of the market, if a company is fast and flexible enough to adopt the current changes that has already been occurred in the market, then could have the company could have the possibility of becoming the industrial leader. And, and for this, the company needs to emphasize more on the marketing part. So by emphasizing more on the marketing part, it could retain its customers and also create more number of customers, and more importantly it will create the customer loyalty towards the brand. So now let us talk about the current trends that the company should adopt in order to become the market leader in these days. The first one is the market from home, in which the marketers should focus on uh, conducting some campaigns and with collaborating with the team members of the company. It should engage the marketers to uh, to be more engaged on the online applications. The second one is the engaged with the customers empathy. In this, the company should the marketers should look more on the uh, more on understanding the customers, their needs and the demands by looking by basing upon the uh, current real time data. And the third one is the awareness, creating awareness among the customers regarding the online digital communications. So being in this situation, digital communication is the only medium for interacting with the customer. So for this, the company should focus more on creating awareness for this digital medium to reach to the customer. So for this, deliver. It will also help in delivering the right message to the right people at the right time. And the fourth one is cost cutting. So as this process are being going on, the marketers should focus on uh, cutting of the cost. So it will also help in reducing the expenditure of the company, which can be used in the future days. So now let us talk about the change in the marketing strategy. First one is by helping the people sustainability and social concern. Second one is by showing greater transparency. Third one is by reconsidering the globalization. Fourth one is by providing greater higher level of service to the consumers. Fifth one is re-examining the business continuity plan, and the last one is by focusing on the security of the operation of the. So after following the above points, the company should look after stabilizing itself, reopening the workplace, and to look after the growth of the company. The second is the company should look after the employee welfare, the security of the employee, and the financial stability of the employee. The third one is after the company is successfully stabilized, it should look after growing itself in digital way. As in this current scenario, the digital medium is the only way to grow for the company to grow its. Now let us talk about the 7 P's of Deloitte. So the first one is the product. For in company, the product plays an important role. Likewise, Deloitte also manufacture products as well as it provides services like taxation, consulting, the tax management, financial advisory, etc. So next is the price. Deloitte charges very high price to its customer. So the price strategy of the Deloitte based upon the quality of service it provides to the customer, the number of employed, the number of people employed in the project, and the last is the quality of service to the customer. And the third one is the place. So Deloitte has branch itself more than 150 countries across the world. The next one comes the promotion. Deloitte promotes its company through its website, social medias, the newspaper, and the other one is the advertisement in the television. So the next comes the people. For in company, as I earlier also said, for in company the people plays the main role in the growth and prosperity of the company. Likewise, Deloitte also take care of the management as well as the customer employees to be more successful, growth and prosper in the nearest future. And the next one comes the process. Deloitte has processed itself centrally as it has expanded its business across the world. So clients from various parts of the country, they are being operated centrally. So Deloitte process itself centrally in order to um, keep the client base as a central mode. The last one is the physical evidence. So the physical evidence of the Deloitte proves through the website and the business card and the newspaper, the journals, and as well as the promotion activities. So the next comes the segmentation. The segmentation of the company based upon the customers acquisition, the customer retention, the customer cross sell, the different types of services, the dynamic pricing, as well as the customers retention program. So now let us talk about the brand positioning of the company. So company position its brand to the market by the market demand. So Deloitte has also positioned itself according to the needs and wants of the market and how the needs and wants of the target market is being fulfilled by the company. And also it also focuses on the competitors, how they're positioning itself, and according to that the company position itself the brand. The next is the recommendation of the positioning strategy. Deloitte has positioned itself according to the strength and weakness of the customer, the competitors, and also it has positioned itself according to the customers, according to the competitors, their way of approaching the customers and the techniques they're applying themselves in order to be the market leader. According to that, Deloitte also focuses on the competitors and they modify their marketeers in order to be better from the competitors. The last one is Deloitte also focuses on the marketeers, the competitors, the techniques that they use. So basing on the techniques, Deloitte improvises itself and fill the gap between the competitors and their own technique.
Now I am discussing about impact on COVID-19 of Deloitte. There are the five fundamental uncertainties are likely to be impact on post-COVID-19 of Deloitte. First one, severity of the pandemic. It includes like level of societal trust, psychological impact after quarantine, impact on different generation, and largest impact on education. And the second point is level of collaboration, attitude toward data sharing. We can say that attitude towards data sharing increases day by day, and speed of new technology advanced innovations, long term impact on new workplace. And the third point is economic concession. We can say in economic concession we can say the speedy recovery of economic recession, distribution of economic growth, unequal income inequalities. and fourth one is healthcare system. Due to focus on changes in healthcare system and reduction and emission. And fifth one is social cohesion. In social cohesion we can say long-term impact and governance and inequalities and political parties and political policies and regulations and the changes in election and methodologies. Severity of pandemic. It includes rapid peak in virus, self-dampening exposure individual to herd immunity, gradual progression, a roller coaster, and second hand. We can say that by this there is a rapid peak in virus because we cannot predict the future in any industry. That's why we must focus on the present and we should not go to the future situation. And gradual progression, we must progress the everything in a gradual manner and significant way. And the second point is level of collaboration. It is divided into significant, weak, and divided. In significant, we must coordinate the coordination of the employees to very well to up to the extent of the matter, and we must think it big and act fast. And reduction of mobility of people and slow transmission causes measures to public institution. We can say by this point we can say that the reduced mobility of people. We can the public institutions can focus on the mobility of the people and resources that can easily manage the situation. Weak and divided. In this weak and divided, we can say the lack of coordination, lack of accountability, and breakdown, insufficient and uneven response. By this, we can say that there is a lack of coordination between the worker and employee, employer and employee. And in these records, we can say there is a lack of accountability and exposure to the employees. 4 distinct scenarios based on current emergent situations. There, first one, the passing storm. Disproportionality, lower income and middle income individuals and communities, health system and policy response, constant disease dynamic. By this, we can say that there is the largest proportionality in lower income and middle income, and it was affected by this pandemic. And we cannot the health situation also becoming lower by lower. And the second point is loan was adopt isolationist policies, shorten supply chain, increase surveillance and the pandemic insufficient global coordination. By this you can say that in the global economy we can there is a lack of coordination and insufficient supply chain between the countries and more. And the third one is good company. Large companies are shifting to key part of the solutions and prolonged pandemic and collaboration to control. There are some companies are good companies like top 4 like Deloitte and everything. Like that companies are shifting to key part of the areas and they are sitting and they are controlling on this pandemic and collaboration to control. And the fourth point is sunrise in the east. China and East Asian countries are affecting or managing the pandemic and their collaboration to control that situation. And by this we can say that there are the China and East Asian countries, they are controlling the pandemic and developing the economy by growing them in the situation. By this table I have taken from some points for every 5 points. From society we can say that heightened appreciation from intrapersonal have shifted to familiar relationships. Society have been driven to purpose driven. And from technology we can say that the stay on course means the companies have been shifted to online. companies driving solution is such as health and biotech and healthcare have been developed. Some data sharing for advanced artificial intelligence plays a major role in this situation, and advanced capabilities divergent among the different market situations and control measures have been taken. From economy, we can say that extend recession, increasing in income inequalities, concentration of power among large companies, prolonged nature of virus, global supply chain, and disrupted. By this, we can say that in the economy situation, we can say that the global supply chain has been disrupted due to this pandemic. And fourth point is healthcare system. We can say the healthcare system has been fully disrupted due to this pandemic, and the development has been decreasing. And from fifth point, social cohesion. The political parties have been made the trust has been decreasing, and the lack of governance and the method of elections have been changed, and everything is going by online. From the above five points, we can say some do's and some don'ts. First, I'll discuss about do's. It must focus on what will happen and about what will happen. We must focus on what will happen now. Remember, and second point, remember that there is no data about the future. There are efforts to speak new ideas about the future. Temptation to focus on anchor the scenarios closest to current expectations, and some don'ts will do. Focus on too much on specific data, overall direction and conditions, specific forecast, stop detail or views on the specific industries. Assign probabilities to this scenario. We cannot predict the future now also. By this data, we can say that it is the survey conducted by Deloitte for financial services in US for the responsibility of crisis management and business consulting planning to the firms. The survey is conducted from April 17 to 21, and here they have participated from directors, board of directors, executives, and lower level executives. This is for thinking across a variety of pandemic related topics. Another survey is conducted on firms' main strategic priorities. On 3 points they concentrate. First point is technological investment, increasing digital capabilities around clients' interactions. The interaction between the clients and between the employer and clients must be technological development, and should be for priorities before the end. Second point, future of work. What work gets done and by whom, and by the real estate and strategic sourcing strategy. The third point, control design. Process directive and control preventive controls that have taken. Tools will be digitalized by using the machine learning and artificial intelligence with sensitive objectives.